Hello viewers, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to solve differential calculus using general methods. Okay, for you to solve using general methods, there is a general formula which says y is equals to ax raised power n. Then, provided that this n can be any number, okay, since this n can be any number, therefore if we differentiate dy all over dx is equals to, then this power will multiply by this a. Therefore, we have n times e x raised power n. Also, the power will subtract 1 from the power. And that is the formula of solving differential calculus using the general method. Okay. Then we are going to apply the formula in solving these cases. Now we see solution. We have y is equals to 4x cubed minus 3x plus 8. Then we differentiate with respect to y, with respect to x. Therefore, we have dy all over dx is equals to, this is equals to, then we have this 3 multiplied by this 4. Therefore, we have 3 times 4 x raised power 3. Also x raised power 3 minus 1. Then here we have minus 3x raised power 1 minus 1. Because the power we assume there is raised power 1. Then plus 0. Differentiating of any constant term is 0. Okay. Then now we have dy dx is equals to, now we can say this is equals to 3 times 4. Here we have 12x. This 3 minus 1 in the power, here we have 2. Also here we have minus. This is 3. This is 3x raised power 0. Because 1 minus 1 is 0. That is plus 0. That's for the constant term. Therefore, here we have dy dx is equals to 12x squared minus 3 times x raised power 1 here is 3. That is the answer for this. Let's solve the next question here. The next question says y is equals to x squared minus 7x cubed minus 2. Then we differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, we have dy all over dx is equals to this 2 multiply x. We have 2x. Also, the power we subtract 1 from the power. Here we have 2 minus 1 minus 7 minus this 3 multiplied by this 7. Here we have 21x. Also, the 3 we subtract 1. Then we have minus this 2 will turn to 0. Then therefore we have 2x raised power 1. No need for putting the 1. Here we go by saying, here we have 21 raised power x. In the power we have 3 minus 1. Here we have 2. Then minus 0, here is 0. Therefore, we can say dy all over dx is equals to 2x minus 2x minus 21. That is 21 minus 21 x squared. That is the answer for this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more video. Bye.